Meet these elegant decorative screw caps that transform any DIY project into a masterpiece. With their brushed stainless steel finish and golden accents, they effortlessly hide unsightly screw holes while adding a touch of luxury to furniture, mirrors, or creative installations. Perfect for home upgrades or professional finishes, they combine style with smart functionality. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore sizes and pricing options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more clever home solutions and exclusive finds. Key features include brushed stainless steel construction, golden decorative caps, multiple sizes from 10 to 25 millimeters, and easy installation without tools.